to Calcutta in 1853. I was just a lad of 14 years, a midshipman to be, to make my way in sailing ships of the Royal Navy. By the time that I was 21, I sailed the world around, weathered storms in the China seas with the hatches battened down, made my way by starlight up the coast of Newfoundland, and dined on beer and herrings while the waves blew all around. I live in retirement now, and through my window comes the sound of seagulls, and sets my mind remembering the evening stars like memories sail far beyond the distant trees. Way out across the open seas I hear them sing. All the wooden ships, they turn to iron, and the iron ships to steel, and shed their sails like autumn leaves with the turning of the wheel. And I was given captain's rank, soon took under me the proudest ship that ever sailed for Queen